It's a little bit overcooked. I'm not seeing a lot of moisture. You can see?
Yeah.
We need it for the squid and we need it for the mussels. We're trying to double up our efforts and not do things twice.
Yep.
Andrew was really strategic in putting the teams together. I mean, he paired Jeremy and Taya. I think he feels Taya's shellfish allergy is going to actually slow her down in this challenge.
Come on, peel, 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 peel.
Do not cut yourself here.
Not worried about that.
Andy and Andrew pride themselves on speed. They can plow through mise en place and preparation like no other.
Okay, 3 done.
3 done?
Yeah.
Move on to veg.
Let me finish this one task first.
I love that brain of yours, Andy. I love it.
Our team dynamic is all positivity and help each other out at all points. Move.
Medic, can I get a glove?
Andy just cut himself.
Right there.
That is going to slow him down for sure.
I cut myself somehow. I do not have time for this. We are pedal to the metal. There's no time to wait. Okay, where am I going from here?
All right, you're on to veg now. It's okay, bud. We're still doing great. Don't worry about it.
Medic again.
Every second counts in this challenge. He needs to slow down or we are going to be in trouble.
Perfect, thank you.
Andrew, how are things going?
Things are going quite well, Chef. We're working really well together.
You had a choice of 5 fantastic cooks, and you chose Andy.
Yeah, absolutely. He cut himself, but he didn't even slow down once. And that's one testament to his ability to work under pressure.
If you guys lose, you won't be able to show your face in these coats.
You're right, Chef.
It's 1 lemon, right?
Yeah.
And if you have time, Chris, finely diced mushrooms and shallots, okay?
Got it. They're probably gonna switch us soon.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch!
Potatoes,
What are you working on?
Drain the potato.
Change it for the marinade.
You got it, let's go.
15 minutes has gone by. 45 minutes left.
Let's get the sardines on immediately.
Yes.
Make sure you salt. Then we can bang out a dish like super quick.
Switch!
I'm gonna trust you.
30 minutes, only 30 minutes left.
Yeah, face it away. Peel the top layer of membrane off.
For me, the Coquilles Saint Jacques is the most difficult dish.
It's very difficult to poach the scallop just right. And then you got the baking of the au gratin.
Bechamel's looking good.
And then making that mashed potatoes. Well seasoned and no lumps.
1 more and that's all we need, bud. That's it. That's it.
Let's go. We're flying. Just keep going on the squid, okay?
I'm gonna do the squid, yeah. I'm actually excited because this is something that I can touch and handle. I just want to prove that I'm capable. I'm capable.
Switch!
Salt and
Where are my breadcrumbs?
Breadcrumbs are right there.
Okay, let's get the tomatoes ready.
Tomatoes.
Because we're gonna need tomatoes, capers. I think Andrew and I are communicating well.
Tomatoes, tomatoes, tomatoes.
In the
What's
back
that?
corner, back corner, back corner. But we're kind of chaotic, and we're both really messy. So there's some goods and there's some bads. But I feel like we're in a really good groove. Attaboy, great work.
15 minutes. You only have 15 minutes left.
Remind me about those, okay?
I will.
You should get a pot on for the mussels so it gets hot. You need chili flakes, garlic. I find it really hard to be on the sidelines. Jeremy is not really talking to me very much. And I'm trying to talk to him, but I'm not getting much response. Did you get the chili flakes in there? Either he is in the zone or he's just ignoring me because he feels like he has a better way of doing it. It is incredibly frustrating.
There's 10 minutes left. We gotta go.
Get that muscle done. Get that muscle done. Come on. Nice.
This kitchen right now is going 100 miles an hour.
But you can feel the intensity is building. As the clock ticks down, that pressure just constantly keeps pouring on.
Okay, muscles in, muscles in, muscles in. We're looking good. There we go, top on.
Top on.
Push, push, push. You might get switched out here soon.
Now it's time to hit the fryers. There's so many fried elements in the fritto misto. Smelt, halibut, oysters, squid rings, baby octopus.
You fry them all at different times and try to get a uniform cook in all of them. Not have some undercooked and some overcooked.
The fritto misto is a lot of work, especially with just me handling the fish. It's taking too much time.
You have to do the oysters in the fryer. Oysters.
Oh, yeah.
Switch!
Christopher has just put his fritto misto in the deep fryer. Now, I hope he hasn't put all the varieties of fish in one basket, because things will definitely be overcooked.
Okay.
Fry the fish. Let's go, let's go.
5 minutes, only 5 more minutes.
We gotta get plating. Now's plating time.
This is really coming down to the wire.
Take those mussels off right now.
Each and every one of them are pushing to the edge.
You see any that are unopened?
No, they're all open.
Okay, good.
Switch! Switch!
Go, 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 go. Get those octopus going. We literally have just enough time. We got this, we got this, we got this. Yes, 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 good.
It looks like the tide is changing here. Christopher and May are ahead of everyone right now.
Don't worry about the time, don't look at the time. Just focus on getting it done.
Surprisingly, Jeremy and Taya are behind, but I think he's taking on way too many tasks.
Holy shit.
Is Andrew's plan coming to fruition?
I know that we're missing so much. We haven't even started our ceviche. We haven't put our Saint Jacques in the oven. We haven't added our fried elements into the cone.
We're behind, we're behind. We need to pick it up.
We have enough.
We should have had Taya doing more with the seafood that she can actually touch.
Wait! Only 2 more minutes left.
I am desperately trying to get these Coquilles Saint Jacques done as quickly as possible.
Pipe it, quick. It's right there. Hurry up.
It looks terrible. It's very embarrassing.
It's gonna take forever.
If we just finish, it would be a miracle.
Let's go. Let's show them what's up.
30 seconds, only 30 seconds left.
This is very dangerous when I'm doing it.
Come on, guys. Come on, let's get it rolling. Hustle. Let's go. Final push.
Where's fryer?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up.
Holy.
Wow. Good job.
Chris, we did a pretty bang-on job. We have every single component on there.
Good job, Team Asian.
Freaking Elimination.
Team Asian.
Feeling pretty good. We pushed hard. There's a few small things that we forgot. Damn, the mayo was made too.
Yeah, not feeling good right now.
We're missing the fried stuff.
It's all just sitting right there in a bowl. Oh, man, this is gonna be torture. Yep.
Andy and Andrew, please bring your seafood platter to the front.
How do you guys think you represented the East Coast?
Pretty good. I really do think it was a total collaboration team effort.
Overall, I think you're on the right path. There was a few missteps. Presentation looks a little rough. There is no aioli.
In the bowl, ready to go.
You just want to go and grab it,
I
right?
just want to go grab it.
I'd love to taste it. But I can only taste what is presented in front of me. I want to try the ceviche. You can see that some of the fish is still raw. It's a little bit liquidy. I wish it had a little more time to develop. It does need some more salt, a little more of a kick to it. Next thing I'm gonna try is the mussels. The mussels are perfectly cooked. The broth is really beautiful. It's a great effort.
Thank you, Chef.
Well done.
Gentlemen?
Chef.
Oh, I love sardines. You still see the beautiful, glistening skin. Beautifully cooked. Great flavor. Next up is the Coquilles Saint Jacques. Are you happy with that? I would be too. Nice job.
Thank you.
Sauce is good. Potatoes, very, very tasty. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thanks, Chef.
So I hope that fritto misto can stand up on its own without the aioli. It's a little bit overcooked. I'm not seeing a lot of moisture. You can see?
Yeah.
All right, let's go for the squid. It's excellent.
Thank you, Chef.
Well done.
Thank you.
I think you can show your face in Halifax, but will it be enough in this kitchen?
We'll see.
I feel like we did an admirable job of an impossible task.
Good job, guys.
Good job, guys.
I'm pretty proud still, even though we've had some mishaps.
May and Christopher, come on up. Well, look at this, look at this. When Andrew was making up the team, I think his strategy was putting things that didn't mix together. Andrew, you got this one wrong. Do you think it was a perfect mix, you guys?
I think so.
I think we worked really
Yeah.
well together. We were just focused on getting every element out on the plate.
But, because it tastes good. Let's go for the fritto misto. Looking at it, it does look a little pale. The aioli, nice, very nice. The smell, it could have used just a little bit more time. I'm really looking forward to this squid here, because if we look at it, this is precise, like you're parking cars. You scored it nicely. It's really good. I think it's restaurant quality.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Chef
Chef.
Alvin.
Thank you.